So guys, today I'm going to be doing a blindfolded look challenge. So I'll choose one of my animals and I'll just blindfolded make a look. I already have my blindfold on. So I picked the hat type, the necklace type, the shirt type, the back type, and the tail type. And I also choose the colors, the eyes, and the pattern. Okay, so let's get into it. First, let's set my up with the hand item. And up, and we'll go down. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm gonna go up, and then down, cover myself up, and then we'll go to, is it on neck items? And then we'll go up, we'll go down, go back down, and choose the neck item, which is going to be this. Okay, and then shirt item. Go back down, go up, go down, and we are gonna press now. I'm gonna do the foot item. Up, we'll go down, we'll go around, and then we're going to and then we're going to go to tail, go up, go down, I'm going to press now. Okay, so now I think I'm on the color items. I'm pretty sure, I don't know. So first we'll play that, and then that, and then that. There we go. There's our blindfolded look. When I open my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, if I was looking, I would never do that. This is such a bad look. Oh my god. Okay, and then, so, I'll go back over here, and let's continue with this, and we turn it back all to white, and to white, everything's back to white. Okay, we'll go to the head items, and we'll close our eyes. To go right here. Wait, did I even put anything? Okay, let's do this again. Let's do this again. I don't think I pressed anything because I didn't. Yeah, I did. I think I pressed it. Okay, let's get to the neck item. And we're going to up, go down, and we're going to up. Wait, what? Okay, and then we'll go. Did I press it? Okay, good. Okay, go down, go back up, and then we are going to go now. Then we are going to go with the foot item. Make sure there's no foot item on. Make sure it's going to go down. We gotta go up. And we are going to go with you. I'm going to go tail. Okay, and then for the color, we'll go that, Oh my god, I'm opening my eyes right now next second. That is very nasty. Wait, what? I don't see that. Where did this come from? Where did that come from? Where did that come from? Okay, that was a little weird. Wait, oh, that's in the patterns. Okay, so let's do another blindfolded look. Gotta go down. Gotta go up. Then we're going to we're gonna do the neck item. Right there. Down, up, down and up. Press that. Foot items. Foot items and that. And go to tail, down, up. There we go. Now the colors will go flat, and then we'll go that, and then we'll go with that. Okay, there's our blindfolded book, which looks like a lion, demon, sorceress. Where are the spike things coming out of the ancient thing? Is that the ancient spike? Is it? What was the neck item? See, yeah, it's the ancient spike. All you can see is tiny little. I want you to see that. I don't know if you can see that. Let's try to. I don't think you can see that little thing. And then yeah, it's the ancient armor. But yeah, that's all it shows. Are you kidding me? And then move this around. Look at that! That looks so nasty. That looks so nasty. Okay, excuse me. Excuse me, coming through. Over here. I don't think you can see that. That neck that looks like it's going straight through the neck, and it's like cutting through my neck with a bunch of guts. Well, that looks nasty. Well, that's very weird. That's a very weird glitch with the squeak. So, there you guys have it. Turn this all back to white. I actually like white. Well, here you go. That was my blindfolded look. No. That was my blindfolded look. And I think the last one was pretty funny. So, see you in the next video. Peace!